Ladies and gents, folks of the YouTube, welcome back. It is a beautiful coronavirus-filled Northern California day, and it is just messing up the program for everybody's life, I'm sure. But yeah, definitely ours too. My employees, well, they're not working. Damon has been working, but Zach hasn't been working since like day one of the whole stay in place thing. So yeah, I've been running the U-Haul and all that good stuff on my own, trying to get motorcycle stuff done, and now we're at the point where I'm waiting on parts. So it's a good time to do some vapor blasting. And that brings us to our next project. Vapor blasting wise, it is a KX125 that this dude is restoring. So we are going to handle all the aluminum on it, which is pretty awesome. And it's pretty rough, so let's take a look. Oh, the vapor honing machine is just patiently waiting, but first steps first, we gotta clean all this stuff up. So we got the cases, the carburetor, and all the miscellaneous aluminums. This bike looks like it kind of had a hard life. Look at the chunky poos on the head. That is awesome. So first step is degreaser. We're gonna degrease everything, scrub it down because I don't want to put it in the machine all dirty and nasty. Trying to keep it clean in there. And before we get too crazy on the cleaning, I just want to a little tech tip. These gloves right here are my new favorite thing. I've been buying these for like 2 months and I love them. They got little indents on them, and they're like the best shop gloves that I've ever found. All right, back to work. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also have the subframe we're gonna do too, so that'll be rad. So we're just chewing through the old parts over here. I got a bunch done in the display case, but the customer brought us another piece. So this is the swing arm, and if you look real close, it's hard to tell because I have oven cleaner all over it. But it is either painted or some kind of coating is on it. So we're gonna let that soak overnight and get back at that tomorrow. But I'll show you what I got done so far. Oh my goodness, would you just look onto them. All right, so after soaking this bad boy last night, hopefully the oven cleaner did its thing. I'm gonna hit it with this bad boy and see if we can get some of this crap off here. All right, although this is not a show bike, I had to do some massaging. There's some super deep scratches over on this side. Not to mention this thing has a coating on it, so gotta get that off. But I just did one side to kind of give a little comparison side by side. I'm not, like I said, I'm not going crazy with it, but man, there's some big gouges, so I gotta get the big stuff out at least. Ugh. So you can see this side, once I got the coating off, it's got a lot of scratches in it. So I'm gonna get in there and see if I can sand those out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the little KX125 vapor blasting project. I am super happy with all these, with how all the parts came out. They look super cool, and I'm excited to see the bike when the dude puts it all back together. It's going to look awesome. It's hard for me to believe that people are restoring 2001 KX125s. You know, I never really felt old in my life until recently. 2001 wasn't that long ago. I know it was like 19 years or something, but to me it's like, oh, that was like middle school. That would seem like yesterday. But yeah, people are restoring bikes from the late 90s, early 2000s, all that, which is fun. Cool stuff. I'm not hating on it. I'm just saying I feel old. But yeah, vapor blasting, good stuff. After this project, we're going to have to change the water in the machine, which I haven't done that yet. Pretty stoked to try that out. Yeah, and I got tons more project videos coming at you real soon. So thanks for tuning in. We're going to get through this crazy virus thing and hopefully be fully operational. I haven't had a U-Haul employee in almost 2 weeks, so I've been trying to do everything. Videos are slacking, I know. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.